In today's English lesson, to help you improve your English, I am going to give you 2 phrasal verbs you can use every day in conversation to make you sound more natural when you speak English. And those 2 English phrasal verbs are pipe down and chime in. Let's talk about chime in first. Maybe you're at work. Maybe you're in a meeting. There are a lot of people in the room and your boss is giving a presentation. Maybe there is some big project that's upcoming at work. And as your boss is telling you the details, she may say, hey, you can chime in anytime you want. If someone says chime in, that means they want you to add to the conversation. Maybe you have something important to say. Yeah, chime in anytime you want. Just let me know what you're thinking, how you're doing. The next one I want to talk about is pipe down. Pipe down, it's basically another way to ask someone to stop talking. And it's not that polite. It's kind of rude. Maybe not as rude as shut up, but it's close. Let's say you're driving. Let's say you have some children. Maybe they are backseat drivers. Do you know what a backseat driver is? It's someone who's sitting in the backseat, but they are trying to tell you how to drive. No, maybe it's my own children. Maybe I'm driving. And then they say, hey, Dad, take a left here. Oh, you're going the wrong way. I might turn to them and say, pipe down. I know where I'm going. Pipe down. All right. We're going to get really advanced here because I am going to use both phrasal verbs in the same sentence. Let's say I'm a teacher. Oh, I am a teacher. And let's say I am trying to deliver a lesson. I'm trying to teach my students something, but I always have a student who's interrupting me. I can't say what I want to say to the class. So I might say to that person, hey, pipe down. I don't need you chiming in right now. I know what I'm going to say. Would I tell one of my students ever to pipe down? I don't know. It's close because it is, like I said before, a little rude. Speaking of being rude, and if you want some more English right up there, I have a lesson about being lippy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.